Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So this is the third video in the video series which is covering vocabs as per the exam memories. And like I have told earlier in the previous videos, okay, I do not need to stress again the importance of this video series. I believe that it is going to play a very important role, okay, in all of you getting, I mean, or clearing this particular NATI exam, as this is a collection of vocabs which people are getting in their exams. Okay, so this is very crucial, and I will urge all of you to go through it. I'm just repeating it so that you know that supposedly it may happen that you may not start with the first set, so you may start with third one. So I just want to tell you that this is utmost crucial that you go through this video, this complete series again and again to make yourself acquainted with any words that you can get, because there are maximum chances that you are going to get vocabs, the tough vocabs from this video series itself. So with this, let's start the set 3 or the unit 3 of this particular series. Voice means swar or vani. Trumpet voice is quite loud, or another version of it is the trumpet has a very loud tone, which basically means तुरही का स्वर काफी ऊंचा होता है. That means it is just trying to convey that okay, whenever you play trumpet, it is very loud. That means turhi ka swar, okay, the sound that is coming from trumpet, it's quite loud. It's not a pleasant or a soothing voice. It's quite loud. I mean, so this is what the speaker wants to convey. Lovely sound. So here we are talking about the flute. Okay, so it means प्यारी आवाज or मधुर ध्वनि. Okay, you can use either of these two. Emergency means आपातकालीन. Non emergency means गैर आपातकालीन. टोली means gang. दल means group. Lane means gully. Street, you can use either of these two, either sadak or marg. Patrolling cars means गश्त करने वाली कारें और गश्त करने वाली गाड़ियां और पहरा रखने वाली गाड़ियां. You can use either of these two. Police station means थाना या चौकी. You can use either of this. Thanks for considering us. हम पर आपने विचार किया, इसके लिए धन्यवाद. So this is the best that I can come up with. I know that okay, you might have a different version, so feel free to use whatever you believe is most suitable. Reserve or book. So this we are talking about verb here. So which means आरक्षित करना. Reserve hotel, I mean reserve a room in a hotel or anything like that. Or book a trip for family. Reservation or booking means आरक्षण. Expected means अपेक्षित. Exact means सटीक. Function or ceremony, which means समारोह. Catering means खान पान. 3 course meal, which means 3 श्रृंखला वाला भोजन या 3 तरह के भोजन या 3 तरह का भोजन. Okay, so you can use either of these three. Cater for means पूर्ति करना, which basically means supplying. And cater for, when we are talking about food, so we can say खाने पीने की चीज़ों का प्रबंध करना. So if we are talking about food catering, you can say खाने पीने की चीज़ों का प्रबंध करना. Enrollment or admission, which basically means नामांकन, दाखिला या भर्ती. Lesson means पाठ. Chapter means अध्याय. Swimming, which means तैराकी और तैरने की कला. You can use either of these two. Swimming pool, तरण ताल. Swimming pool means Taran Tal. Prior experience, which means पूर्व अनुभव या पहले का अनुभव. You can use either of these two. पूर्व means पहले का. It is as simple as that. Husband sister. So you can say पति की बहन if you don't remember, but a short word of it, in terms of relationship, it means nanand. Reception or welcome, which means स्वागत. Reception hall means स्वागत कक्ष और reception room means स्वागत कक्ष. Reception area means स्वागत क्षेत्र. Area, as I told earlier, it means क्षेत्र. So reception area means स्वागत क्षेत्र. Receptionist. Okay, many people don't know the translation of it. It basically means swagati. Okay, so whenever you hear the word receptionist, I see that many people fumble and they struggle to translate it. So it means swagati. Puppy means pilla or kutte ka bachcha. You can use even either of these two. Shelter, which basically means ashraya. Okay. Active means sakriya. Inactive means nishkriya. Special care means vishesh dekbhal. Neck strap. So this we are talking about in terms of puppy or a dog, which means gardan ka patta. About a pet. Okay. So neck strap means gardan ka patta. Vet or veterinarian. So which basically means pashu chikitsak. Training classes means parikshan kakshaएं. Training means parikshan. Prasikshan, sorry. Training means prasikshan and classes means kakshaएं. So training classes, which basically means prasikshan kakshaएं. Enjoy means आनंद लेना या आनंद उठाना. Fun means मजा. Repair means मरम्मत. Automobile means मोटर गाड़ी. Second hand car means इस्तेमाल की हुई गाड़ी या प्रयोग की हुई कार. You can use either of these two. You can even say पहले से चलाई हुई गाड़ी. There are many versions of it how you can translate. Inspection means निरीक्षण या जांच. You can use either of this. Tools, which means औजार या फिर उपकरण. I believe that औजार is a more appropriate word here. Diary. Again, this is another word where people struggle a lot as to what should I say. So you can say Dainiki, which is very simple and a very good translation of it. You can say Din Patrika, okay, or you can say Dincharya Patrika. You can use either of these three, whatever you feel comfortable with. Selecting a car means गाड़ी का चयन. Selection means chayan, of course. So selecting a car means गाड़ी का चयन. Table means, okay, another thing which people struggle with it. So supposedly you are booking a table in a cafe or in a hotel or somewhere in a restaurant. Okay, so people say that, okay, what should I say? So I believe that patal or talika is are the best translations of it. Okay, whenever you hear the table, so patal or talika. Table number means talika sankhya या patal sankhya. You can use either of these two. Number basically means sankhya in Hindi. Serial number means kramank or kram sankhya. So guys, this is the end of the third set, and I am sure that it will help you immensely in clearing the NATI exam. Okay, as and when I'm making it, I can see that, okay, how beneficial it is going to be for everyone. And I'm sorry that I delayed it, but a thought came to my mind later on that if maybe I should make people familiar with all the words or vocab that they might get in the exam. So it makes immense sense for everyone to go through it, and even people whose LOTE is not Hindi. So I would recommend you to go through this, because at least you'll be aware of all the words or vocabs that you might get. Okay, so if you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. If the channel is really helping you, do it only if it is helping. And if you believe that okay, it played a role, or it is playing a role in making your nati journey smoother, or making you more prepared for it, then please share the channel content with other people, to make just to make sure that they also get the same advantage or the same benefit that you are getting it. So with this, I am ending the video. I hope you guys have a nice day, and also be very careful during this pandemic situation. I would advise all of you not to go out. It is our utmost responsibility, not just as an individual, as a society member too, and also for our family. Because if you go out regularly, then you may not only risk yourself, you may risk the safety of many others with you, including your family members. So apply your brains and do the right thing. Be responsible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.